speed controller made all the difference in the world.
They're both connected up right now. They
A
both
lot
are
of
from
power. You
one
pull
of
a
the
10-pound
uses
airplane
the same
straight up there.
battery,
That's
the same
awesome.
model. That's their size. They're both size, but they also got puppy cuts, so it might make it harder to see that they're Australian Shepherds. Their hair was longer.
The other speed controller, same motor, same battery, go like this.
Yeah,
Very
it's
good.
too bad you can't
I know, I was here. It wouldn't go.
make it happen. Well, that's what the Dutch drivers usually want to make. That's the time of year they're going to do it. No, they're actually just coming out as they're built. They're using the balance instinct. Well, most of them have longer tails. I mean, they just do. If they, like a lot of Doberman Pinscher people like the dogs.
Yeah, there you go. They'll have a bag
You
of
want
chips.
some, you want some burritos?
Yeah, they'll have a bag of chips. They reach for it. Yeah.
You've seen that movie.
But there's got to be another way. There's got to be
Something.
something they can do. Fries, something.